Uptown Swing, level 1.
8 count, Peter Bell.
First class, you guys did awesome. We're gonna show you what we started with. We started like this, holding hands, and we went rock, step, bam, rock, step, bam. And after we got that, we scooted. Doodly, 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 doo. And we just go this way. Doodly, 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 doo. That's your triple step, but don't let the name worry you. We just put it where the slow was. We had rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow. And put a scoot in there. Scoot, scoot. That's called triple step. Triple step, rock, step, triple step. That's our basic footwork pattern. And when we do it as partners, I'm a leader.
And I'm a follower.
I start with my left foot.
And I start with my right foot.
So we did a flip flop and it looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Then we did a yo-yo. Hey, hey.
Followers continue.
Leaders put them right in front of you so you don't honk on their foot. Bam. Then we did a reverse yo-yo. Followers stay put.
Squeezy.
Leaders, you go in a line, you get right in front of them. Squeezy. On this one, we have a stretchy. A stretchy. Then we did a circle.
Followers also stay in place on the first half, and then you're scooped.
Remember we tried that when we just jumped? Followers hang out. And then we did it going like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch one more of those. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, and back it up. Followers, if you stick to this hand, everything's better. Leaders, if you know your path, everything is better. Then the last thing we finished was just a little rock, step, bam, a shaky, shaky, shake, and then we keep on dancing. So here's a little pattern we ended up with. Hey, we did a yo-yo, reverse, hey, and then a circle, hey. Then we stop it. Bam. Hey, 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 we can do it again.
Dancing.
Number 1 homework is you just do this footwork, leaders, followers. And you do it a billion times. When you think you got it, do it 10 more times. And that's it.